where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, drop. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors. Respect and manners. Yes, nothing wrong with that. They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today is a typical day in my life, so I'm just going to show you guys what I get up to on a regular day. Today's Friday, it's like 5:20 in the morning. I am up. What do you have to say, Outlaw?
Good morning. Respect and manners.
Yeah, the Outlaw is up and ready. Yeah. Ready to go to work. You hear that? Not chicken me a jerk. Anyway, so up. I'm gonna make the big man some tea. Yeah. Getting ready for work, and then the rest of the day I'll be up and down doing all kind of things, but I'll take you with me. Yeah. Guys, can you see him out there wiping down the bus? Let me shut this door. Yeah, it's like 5:25 and he's out there wiping down. Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
So I've got his coffee. Yeah. You look like you're going to work in a hotel. You look like you got uniform on.
Thank you. Coffee in the morning.
Yeah. So he's going to do whatever he has to do on the bus before it's time for him to go. Guys, it is really early, but this is the time I have to get up every morning because I get up and make Outlaw's coffee, or sometimes I make his breakfast or something to carry to school with him. And then, to be honest, sometimes I do go back to my bed because it's early. Sometimes I go back to bed and go back to sleep for a little bit. Sometimes I go back to bed and I just on my phone scrolling on Instagram, social media. Yeah.
Another prize, my piece. One drop. We'll take one out of that, you know.
So it just drops off the tree?
Yeah, ripe and drop. This is the real eating mango. Yeah, the real taste of that one. It's ripe and eating and drop. Yeah, man, good. Yeah, when that you taste and tell me, you know. You forgot your style, huh? You have a taste bud.
Alright, there is Outlaw out the door. Yeah. Off to work for the day. Alright, so I don't usually eat breakfast in the morning. I'm not a breakfast person, but because I'm going on the road, I'm going to make a shake. So the shake I'm going to make is a low carb shake, and it's pina colada taste. Yeah, pina colada tasting shake, right? So what I'm going to use is almond milk. I'm going to use some coconut milk, some pineapple flavoring, vanilla flavoring, and some ice and sweetener. Yeah, I've got the sweetener in there already. So I'm just going to add 1 cup of almond milk. Gosh, everywhere. Yeah. 1 cup of almond milk. We're going to do some coconut milk. About 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. 1. Making a mess. 2. 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. I might do an extra one. 4. Alright, and I'm going to put a little bit of this in. Guys, look at me making a mess. 1 teaspoon of that. That was vanilla flavouring. I'm going to put a little bit of pineapple. I'll put a little bit more of the pineapple. Yeah. What I don't have, what you can add to this is coconut water. It's quite nice in this, and also coconut extract. If you have coconut extract, coconut water. I don't have those, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And the last thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of salt in there, a pinch of salt. Just a pinch, yeah. And then I'm going to put some ice in. And then just blend it all together. I'm going to put it on low. It'd be great if it was plugged in. I'm going to pour it in one of these because I'm going to take it on the go with me. Just check and make sure that it's nice and thick and creamy. I don't know if you can see that. See how thick it is? Yeah. All that's missing is a little rum, right? Put a little rum in that. Nice pina colada. But no. So this is a low carb shake. Yeah, a low carb shake. It's so thick. Taste it. It tastes really good. All it needs is a little rum, like I said, but it's not that time. Yeah. So pina colada, low carb shake. All right, first stop is the bank, guys. JN. Yeah. First stop for today. All right, I'm gonna go in this store, Napa Variety. My local like hair store, get my little bits and pieces in there. Yeah, next stop's Napa. All the little hair products and stuff. Yeah, soap and Dettol and all of that. Yeah, shampoo and all kind of things. Alright, so I've done the grocery shopping, supermarket shop, picked up a few bits in Ochi, and I'm going to go to Friday Market. I call it Friday Market because the market's only open on a Friday. It's just past White River, over the bridge, on the right hand side, coming from Ochi. Yeah, there's a market there. There's a really nice fresh produce every Friday. A little bit pricey, but they do nice stuff there, so I'm going to get some yam, because I'm cooking yam, so I'm going to cook some yam today. And then the rest of the fresh produce I'm gonna get from Brownstown. They do nice stuff in Brownstown and it's a lot cheaper. So when I go to Brownstown tomorrow, I'll get the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna go buy a piece of yam from Friday Market, go home, and sort out what I have to sort out at home. Yes. Guys, have you seen this new place? It's been building for a while. It's called Ocherius Ocean View Mall. Ocherius Ocean View Mall. Yeah, very modern looking. My mum said it looks like a school in England. Yeah. I want to show you where the what is that, ambulance? I want to show you where the market is, Friday market. So we're just crossing the border from St Anne into St Mary. Yeah. Over the bridge. Into the rafting. So we're officially in St Mary now. Sign. All this traffic, man. Oh my gosh. Right, so it's just here. We can go in. Right here, guys, is the market. Right here. Thank you. Alright, so right here's the market. You get lots of nice fresh. Yes, pretty. Pretty. I'm gonna get £2 a yellow, yeah. How much is it a pound? Okay. Yeah, go for it, do it, yeah. That's it. Everything fresh. Everything fresh and nice. Alright, I got some yellow yam, £2.5. It was £2.50 a pound, not too bad, I guess. Yeah. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Choco bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the guys, I am nervous, I'm anxious, I'm excited, like everything, all the emotions are like rolling into one right now. I'm feeling everything right now. Guys, this is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that get pose like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo. Alright, so today I'm making saltfish with butterbean, saltfish and butterbean with yam and banana. Yeah, guys, before I lived in Jamaica, I never had saltfish and butterbeans or saltfish and broad bean. I tried it out here, loved it. So yeah, every now and again we make saltfish and butterbean. You can make it with broad bean. Outlaw says the broad beans are too tough. He prefers the butterbean. I don't mind either way. So in here I've just got some onion, tomato, sweet pepper, hot pepper, scotch bonnet. Yeah. Onion, tomato, sweet pepper and hot pepper. Then I add the saltfish to that and then the butter beans to that as well. From backyard to kitchen. Yes. From backyard to kitchen. This come from our garden. Outlaw cut it down. So I'm cooking some of this today. I'm gonna cut off a hand and I'm gonna cook it with some yam. Yeah. Alright, we've just added the saltfish to it. I'm gonna put in the butter beans now. Alright, this is about ready. It's bubbling. Yeah, this is good. We're gonna do the yam and banana now. Bananas are actually soft already. Yeah, they're small bananas, so they soft, you know, soft. I don't like the big tough bananas. Yeah. Look who's home. Look who's back from work. I think we're going to end at the vlog. We'll make Outlaw end at the vlog.
End of the vlog?
Yeah, because I've been vlogging all day.
Seriously?
Yes.
Hello people. datmisehtv. Don't leave we. So Mr. Manazan Prayers. Long life and happy living. Done? Come back home to the wife, you know. Wife is a big part of my life.